So we are here Thursday, the 26th of March. It's going to be my trade recap. So you guys can see actually, really good thing. I started to reduce my risk. This trade is not really looking good anymore. So let me give you my full analysis. So hourly, this entire range was still pretty much rebalancing after Trump made a tweet a few days ago that just absolutely ripped the market up. But overnight, pretty much up until pre-market, we've been below the daily open. So that's pretty much all the session highs are pretty much still intact still. Um, Overnight and pre-market took out pretty much every session low and previous day low. So that was pretty convincing that I wanted to see the market kind of move higher for this morning during the New York AM session. So let me drop down to the 5 minute. So we can see here since London session at about 4:30 this morning Central Time, the market's just been kind of ranging at London low. So once I saw market open, London low is pretty much going to be my point of control for the morning, that I wanted to possibly see the market go higher from this price area or level, whatever you want to call it. So price opened here, 5 minute time frame, opened on this red candle right here. Basically what I was seeing, so I was going to be very hesitant to go short. But once I saw this 50-minute candle, once I saw this 50-minute candle come all the way down here, flip bullish, and then actually close over this key 15-minute high, previous swing high, I actually wanted to go ahead and take a long. But one of the things I kept in mind, I was going to have a bigger stop loss than normal. So I actually went in half size. I went in with 5 micro contracts instead of 10, which was actually a really good idea on my part, because I actually didn't take a full loss this morning, which is really good. But anyways, so I actually I entered late too on accident. I would have ideally liked to enter on this 15-minute candle close, but I actually entered a little late, so I got a little bit of a higher fill. But basically, once I saw this 15-minute candle close, breaking this overnight downtrend and this previous swing high, me, I had enough conviction on the 15-minute time frame to take a long entry. My TPs for this trade would have been scaling 3 off at London high, and then I was going to take 1 off at the Asia Open, and then 1 off at the Daily Open. So that would have fully scaled me out if those take profits would have hit. But once this 15-minute candle, god dang it. Once this 15-minute candle started really creeping close to my TP, I went ahead and reduced risk to the close of this 15-minute candle. So that was about a $90 stop loss. It was a little over 3 points. So I'm not really worried about it. This candle was all the way up here at one point, and then came all the way back to where my stop loss is currently. So yeah, this was I think I managed it pretty good. Right now it's looking like my full stop loss could potentially be hit, so I'm actually really glad I reduced risk on that trade. But yeah, no, tomorrow's Friday, so could potentially see an opportunity, could not, but we're just gonna play it by ear and play it safe. So if I got to reduce risk tomorrow and go in half size for a trade, so be it. But yeah, account wise, minus 90.75 on the day, so basically $91. Available margin is still over 1,000, so we're still looking good on there. So 2 more winning days, and then I could actually request a payout. But I have a profit target in mind for me to take a payout. So yeah, tomorrow's Friday. We got one more trading day this week, so looking to stay smart and protect capital as much as I can. So yeah, we're gonna be done for today, guys.